Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Jeep Cherokee key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking no more than 5 minutes from start to finish. Having the right tools ready makes the entire process smooth and efficient. So let's get started on refreshing your key fob's power. Now let's open up your key fob. Look for a small slot, typically found on the side or bottom edge of the fob casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is to create a small gap, allowing you to fully open it and access the battery compartment. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the edges match up perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, which confirms the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button. This quick check ensures everything is working correctly, and your Jeep Cherokee is ready to respond to your commands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.